Luke chapter 14. Jesus healed for Sabbath day again. For one Sabbath day, when Jesus go shop for one Pharisee oga house, the people come dey look am because one man wey him hand and leg swell up stand for him front. Jesus come ask the people wey sabi the law well and the Pharisee people say, e dey right to heal for Sabbath day? Dem no talk anything. Na im Jesus hold the man, heal am, come say make e dey go. Then Jesus tell them, if any of una get pikin or melu wey fall inside well for Sabbath day, una no go quick draw am come out? But dem no fit answer. People wey dey find better share for church. When Jesus see how the people wey dem invite dey rush to sit down for better share, e come tell dem one parable. When dem invite you go party, no rush go sit down for better share, because the person wey dey do the party fit don invite person wey big pass you. Then the person wey invite two of una go tell you, get up, make this man sit down. Then with shame, you go sit down for back. But when they invite you, make you sit down for back share, so that when the person wey dey do the party see you, e go say, my friend, come sit down for this better place for front. Then all the people wey dey follow you shop go give you respect. Anybody wey dey carry body up, they go bring am down, and anybody wey put him body for ground, dem go carry am up. Jesus still tell the man wey invite am, when you dey do party, no invite your friends, your brothers, relations and neighbors wey get money, so that when dem dey do their own party, dem go invite you too. Instead, when you dey do big party, make you invite poor people, people wey their leg or hand cut comot, people wey no fit waka, and people wey no dey see. Then God go bless you, because dem no go fit pay you back, but na God go pay you when He go raise Him people from death. In people wey dey do wetin He like. The big party. When one of the people for the party hear wetin Jesus talk, e come tell Jesus, God don bless everybody wey go shop for the party for Him kingdom. But Jesus tell am, one man do big party, come invite many people come. When the party time reach, he come tell him servant, make he go tell everybody wey he invite, say, make una come, because everything don ready. But all of them come dey complain one by one. The first one say, I just buy land, I wan go see am, abeg make you no vex. And that one say, I just buy 10 melu, and I dey go look how dem be, abeg make you no vex. The last one come say, I no go fit come because I just marry new wife. So the servant come back, come tell him oga everything wey dem talk. The oga vex well, come tell the servant, make you go, Go all the streets and corner where e dey this town. Go bring poor people wey their leg or hand cut comot, and people wey no fit waka, come this party. After the servant say, "Oga God, I don do wetin you talk," and the party never still full. So the oga tell the servant, "Make you go main road and enter everywhere for the area. Tell people make dem come so that my house go full. Because I tell you, nobody among those people wey I first invite go taste my food. Disciple go suffer." Plenty people dey waka follow Jesus for road. So e turn, look them, come say, "If anybody come meet me and he no love me pass him papa, mama, wife, pikin, brothers and sisters, even him own self, he no go fit be my disciple. Anybody wey no gree carry him cross follow me no fit be my disciple. Which of una wey wan build big house no go first calculate whether the money wey im get go reach to finish am? If e no do so, when e don lay the foundation and e no fit finish the house, everybody wey see wetin happen go come dey laugh am. Dem go say, "This man start to build house and e no fit finish am." Abi, which king wey wan go fight another king no go first sit down think whether the 10,000 men wey e get go fit fight the 20,000 wey the other king get? If e see say e no go fit win, e go send messenger when the other king still dey far, go ask am how dem go take settle. Like this too, nobody fit be my disciple if e no comot im mind from everything wey e get. Salt good, but if e no get taste, how dem go fit make am sweet again? People no go fit use am do anything. Na throway dem go throway am. Anybody wey get ear, make e hear wetin I dey talk.